Sa ikalabindalawang araw ng impeachment trial laban kay Chief Justice Renato Corona, muling umarap si BIR Commissioner Kim Henares. Anya, may sariling investigasyon na rin daw ang BIR tungkol sa posibleng hindi pagbabayad umano ng tamang buwis ng punong maestrado. Mula sa Senado, nakatutok live si Ruth Cabal.
Mel, maliban nga sa paglilitis ngayon ng impeachment court, iniimbestigahan na rin daw ng BIR si Chief Justice Renato Corona. Ayon kay BIR Commissioner Kim Henares, lumalabas daw na tila may discrepancies o hindi tugmang impormasyon sa SALN o Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth ni Corona. Sinabihan na raw ng BIR si Chief Justice Corona tungkol sa investigasyon sa posibleng tax deficiencies o hindi pagbabayad ng tamang buwis. Sabi ni Henares, kinumpara daw nila ang mga dokumentong nasa BIR sa SALN ni Corona na sinumite sa impeachment court. Kabilang sa mga tinitignan ng BIR, ang di umano hindi pagdedeklara ng ilang ari-arian at mababang pagdeklara ng halaga ng mga dineklarang ari-arian, kaya bumaba din di umano ang net worth ng Chief Justice.
For year 2007, it should have a net worth of 24,735,735, whereas it only show a net worth of 11 million. For 2008, the net worth should be around 25 million, instead it's 12 million. Then for 2009, the net worth should actually be 52 million. Because of the property in Bellagio 1, and instead the reported net worth is only 14.5.
This shall answer for what year?
From 2002 up to 2010, when he was already a member of the High Court, Renato Corona.
Because he's being blamed for allegedly, he's being faulted for allegedly not filing his SALN.
So,
it now appears that
the Chief Justice filed for those years.
As per Exhibits A...
No. The court would like to know.
Yes, Your Honor. Tainted by violations as to accuracy, truthfulness, and timeliness.
That is your opinion.
Sinubukan pang harangin ng depensa at ipatanggal sa records ang paglilitanya ni Henares ng mga umano'y discrepancy sa SALN ni Corona dahil hindi naman daw ito kasama sa Articles of Impeachment. Pero hinayaan ng korteng maging bahagi ito ng testimonya ni Henares. Bagamat nilinaw rin ni Presiding Officer Enrile, inasyal pa lang naman daw ang investigasyon ng BIR.
which may smacks of persecution to the eyes of the public.
No, sir. I think
Nothing wrong with it.
No, sir. The public expect us to do it.
But what I'm questioning is the propriety of that investigation being conducted now while this impeachment proceedings is going on, covering the same subject matter. You did not find that... I'm sorry.
Sir, the alternative is to be told that we are sleeping on our job. So I think the better alternative for the Bureau of Internal Revenue is to do its job.
Those are only tentative
Yes, sir.
Data that gives you a reason to issue an authority to examine the taxpayer for possible deficiency income tax assessment, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mel, alas 6 tapos ang hearing ngayon, itutuloy yan bukas at dito pa rin tayo nakatutok sa Article of Impeachment number 2, yung patungkol sa SALN ni Chief Justice Corona. Mel?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ruth Cabal.